Hi guys, welcome to my channel Payal's Recipe. Today I'm going to show you a very delicious and summer special recipe that's called frozen yogurt. And I'm not going to make one, two, but I'm going to make at least 3 kinds of frozen yogurt recipes. And I hope you enjoy these recipes, and let's get started. The ingredients to make this frozen yogurt are very basic and simple, and we just need 3 main ingredients that are common for all the 3 kinds of yogurts. So the first one is the Greek yogurt, and I have some Greek yogurt here. This is honey and some lime juice. You can also use lemon juice if you don't have lime, but this is lime juice. And I have some frozen fruits. The first kind of frozen yogurt that I'm going to make is with the mixed berry. This is a mixed berry yogurt which has strawberries, blueberries, blackberries and raspberries. The second kind of yogurt that I'm going to show is Black Forest yogurt that has the frozen cherries. Now these are the pitted cherries without the seeds, and I have some grated chocolate chunks. The third kind of yogurt is the pineapple and toasted coconut yogurt. So let's get started with the first one. So the first kind of frozen yogurt that I'm going to show is the mixed berry yogurt. The second one is the pineapple and toasted coconut. And the third one is the Black Forest frozen yogurt. So let's get started with the first recipe, that's the mixed berries. Now the first thing I'm going to do to make this frozen yogurt, that's the berry yogurt, is take a food processor and throw in the berries in this. And now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of lime juice or lemon juice. Then I need 1 tablespoon of honey. This will add to the sweetness. And the reason we use frozen fruits instead of the fresh fruits is because we want the creamy and smooth texture of the yogurt. So it's best to use frozen fruits and not fresh fruits. And now I'm going to add yogurt. I'm going to use 3 tablespoons of yogurt. Now I'm going to blend everything together. And you can see the creamy texture of our first yogurt. That's the mixed berry yogurt, and the sweetness we get from the fruits as well as the honey. Now I'm just going to transfer it into this ice cream bowl. And now we are going to transfer this yogurt into this bowl. So our first mixed berry yogurt is now ready. The second kind of frozen yogurt that I want to show you is the Black Forest. That's my personal favorite yogurt. And these are the pitted cherries, which means there are no seeds inside. And I'm going to just put these cherries in this. Along with that, I'm going to add again 1 tablespoon of lime juice, 1 tablespoon of honey for the sweetness, and about 3 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. If you don't have the Greek yogurt, you can also use the hung curd or use the regular yogurt and strain it with a strainer to remove the excess water and then use it. So now I'm just going to blend this again. These are frozen cherries that I just blended, and now I'm going to add some chocolate chunk pieces and carefully fold it in. And now I'm just going to mix like this. You can adjust the quantity of chocolate per how much ever you need. So I've mixed the chocolate chunks in this cherry mix, and I'm going to just transfer it into another ice cream bowl like this. Now this is our cherries mix with the chocolates, and I'm just going to add some more chocolate chunks on top. It's a frozen yogurt, so after I make each yogurt, I'm going to freeze it. Here's our Black Forest frozen yogurt. The third yogurt and the final yogurt that I'm going to show you is pineapple and toasted coconut, and these are the chunks of frozen pineapple. I'm just going to throw this in the blender along with the same ingredients as I showed you earlier. This is 1 tablespoon of lime juice, 1 tablespoon of honey, and about 3 tablespoons of yogurt. This is again the Greek yogurt. And now I'm going to close this lid and blend everything together. Also adding some toasted coconut pieces to this, and I'm going to continue blending it. Now this is our yogurt, and now to this I'm going to add some more toasted coconut pieces and just mix it in here. And it looks so yummy and delicious and a super easy summer recipe. Now I'm going to transfer it again into this ice cream bowl. Now to this yogurt, I'm going to add some more of this toasted and shredded coconut pieces. And now I'm going to freeze this as well. Our 3 flavors of frozen yogurt are now ready. If you liked my recipe, do like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to receive notifications of my new recipes. And for more recipes, tune in. Till next time, thanks a lot. Bye-bye.